diss him. You know, I tell the people the truth. Oh, you know, I beg him my money and he not give me a diss him. Where you know about Bumbuckler try? More than try to live large and live happy and comfortable. I don't want rich, but I just want comfortable and happy. Me not play a game. I'm a game room alone can buy your Bumbuckler in your house. And me not play a game. I picking them game room alone can buy in your house where you sleep and drink and everything. And me not play a game. I'm picking them game room alone. Bumbuckler them people here. Batty boy yes man. A boy know me a pre when me say anyone me see him on social media, if him live in the pan. And me then I come and I type in and say go suck your mother. Me not tap to him go suck your mother till he fed up it. Pussy that. If you when you can't catch a man, you vent in any way when you can't catch a man in the dark. When you can't catch an informer and a pussy in the dark. When you can't catch some of them boy they have to vent in the dark. You know what happened to? You know, so me have two real dog in Ghana, me I say dog. You know, so me now make them man go and mix up in the fuckery. Come could make them pussy search the boy in the dark. Just what you do, you know. I mean, I say, you know, me never to call nobody police, because this make no sense, brother. Because I know if my two mongrel and catch me and I box him down. I don't have to hold that. But what? I don't want to make no phone call and go for no unnecessary stuff, bro. And them the boy don't make no sense, brother. It don't make no sense, brother. Pussy that, man. You know who name try Batty boy. If you like me have to hype over here, so. If you like me have to cover so, go tell nobody my life story how I live, bro. If you like me have to hype over here, so pussy, Batty boy. I true man, wrap up with someone who can Bumbuckler do and laugh. We don't know better me can do and laugh. You see me? I mean I tell Chipper from there. Chipper only boy, I see can't take up his phone and say, "Hey, you go there." I tell Chipper from say Chipper, you know, say because we gonna wrap up with some of them pussy there. And laugh up with some of them pussy them they can do what them do. Just because we are laughing with them pussy there, but they can't do what them do, bro.
People them one code life.
I need Muma. Just because we laugh with somebody like a batty boy there.
Code Muma.
They can't do what them do. Them pussy them more than nobody. They more than nobody. They walk and carry you like some big pussy girl. I want to batty boy too real.
Good morning, sister.
They're too real here.
Morning.
Boy, they're batty boy. My boy for live I tell people, oh yeah, me here over there. I say this and I say, you ask me a question and I come in. That's a batty boy, I don't long them sitting there a long time. And you over there come chat up my life pussy. Then you look a big pussy girl, we are begging me $200. We are premium for me $200. Run come on live, I come talk about. Yes, because you there look me and I look on and I look mama. I say, what did I eat that girl? I just exit the life. Come and say, yo, me not supposed to be on live without that town make no sense. Whenever you can make one in on about catch up on your Bumbuckler brother yard. You can't even take off your jaws and put on your jaws good. Pussy, you never on the private for yourself. Fuck are you? Who the fuck are you? I check a man the live with them and laugh with Bumbuckler. The man feel like the man might see him Bumbuckler thing. And then pussy don't make no sense. Batty boy them man. Man, no friend for no. They say me Lego the social media for there. Come I say you know say this don't make no sense try. You're way better than this, yeah. And you depend on me I laugh for some people you can't call them and beg them $20 because they never have figure. Anybody will say, I take up my Bumbuckler car key and put on my clothes and say me I go link up Then the man have either they have it over me, or they have it with me. Then nobody supposed to lesser than bumbuckle at me. We're supposed to learn from you. Me not borrow from you, not beg you, but we're supposed to learn from you. And I say, boy, me don't want to become like you. Me just want money to and happy to. What the fuck me the people worse than bumbuckle at me? I said, dog, you know some more one girl that learn from you. And I said, boy, me don't want to become like you. Me just want sneakers go to school. I be a Jordan 1. I be a Jordan 1 she want. Me not ask Christ. She just say, me just see a blue and black one and she come with the same thing. Say, daddy, I want a blue and black one, you know. And me see if you 100 and the line of me. I say, bumbuckle, I forget to gear her, you know, because she want it. And if you dey on live and laugh, some people can call and say, send more $50 because my daughter want Jordan. Jordan 1. When me buy, what the fuck me I doing in the friendship there? Dear. Fuck me I doing in the friendship there. Many people can't help me. More than cussing. What cussing I gonna do for more than people hate more and more. When you cussing people hate more and more. So you think if you happen to your lad, I'm gonna laugh after you. Because you cuss them night and bumbuckle out there. Any hole you dig, you can't dig it for only people alone, dig it for yourself too. That's how I see life. So when you come over and start venting at 8 people who are say, you know if you do that, because if I did somebody else, who know over there on their name night and day. So chat your advance. 20 people.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Come sit there.
You see me I say?
Trying to know you anything but how much the tattoo, my name, and Jesus Christ. Advance. I forgot coming on my DMs. Cause you know, say I'm hungry. I wake up hungry. I'm not have nothing to eat. You can't beg you something, please. Western Union just they want walk. I can't walk. Go down there even want $100. Cause me not too like $50. I can't you go collect $50. I be a police one lock you up. Beg you think the advance, please and thanks. I beg man in this. Make me hungry. Alright, there's some want you tattoo your name advance, right? I'm a shots rim, right? There's a palm of batty jar, right? This and when you rub it down so with your hand, send me the money, man. I'm gonna repair my blood clot belly. My belly want repair. My hungry advance. Try.
Yo.
You're not on phone. You're not on live. You can't go live on your one phone.
Let me take on my life.
Oh.
Only Instagram me have left back. You take away live.
Oh, you just have the Instagram, the spot.
Just
Not the
me have
phone.
just this spot. Good. Why go on, Spice? The last one, beg me, I'm not give them a come talk about and this me
You
past
not
time.
care where you are somebody. Me, I beg you $100, please and thanks with manners and respect.
I think about
Today
it.
and Friday, you can send it tomorrow.
I think about it still.
But I think about it, send it, because remember, them say me a handicap and I not work.
I will say so.
Big stinking belly, Mello, where belly are flatter like fritters. Mello for blood clot. Octopus ever take them blood clot, sitting and slicking on your belly, boss. Mello, you suck with your suck pussy, make up your blood clot, man. You are all her hermaphrodite.
Mello, poor Mello, how you say?
She give me one blood clot wig where she take off a Cindy in a store.
Okay.
Yeah.
But that now
Mello,
not video that I with that name.
Mello, you see, Uno. Remember the wig I never yearn from first, you know, Mello. Because watch this. You take off the wig off our mannequin for me. When you come to Jamaica, you use the people them thief in credit card and pay $280 for your ticket. So everything was mine from first. You dirty blood. You not buy no. No, you not buy. Baga TV, she not buy no. No. She not blood clot buy. She thief the wig. She thief two for Ave. Them never search Mello suitcase and see them too fat the way she
A
carry
life in prison I get, man.
lock up blood clot Mello.
Life in prison.
Life she'll get. And she soon get life. We don't tell her to stop use the card. Them don't belong to her. You get what me I say? So she max a card, so she get her. When Mello get so much free, she got prison. Me no want nothing off I card. Thank God that if she take
Hey,
the
sister,
way.
make sure you tap your wig, you know.
Me no wear it, me get her just like the dress them. You don't know me I you don't know me no try. Me work off of grace and mercy.
Okay.
Me like when people tell me thanks.
Okay.
Yeah?
Try me. They tell her not to take it, but you see true, yeah?
Yeah? Oh, you know me now have nothing. Me use it and bake one banana cake yesterday.
Pussy clot. So we can't get peace.
No.
You done?
No, I'm not done. I
So
mean,
why
one
we can't get peace? I mean, I there Jamaica next week. Weekend I come.
put piece in my freezer. You send me $100, make me go take one wash out from today.
What? Where you keep the dad?
No, me have to take a wash out when me know somebody I gonna give me something because me know food me I go buy.
Pussy clot. That's not wash out for my money, don't.
Watch them whole heap of gun there with Destiny UK have up. I wonder for boss a shot na Mello belly. The wonder for boss a shot na Mello back. The wonder for boss a shot na Mello calf them. Me wonder for boss a Mello your mouth too long. Me I take off 2 inch. Bloop off of your mouth 2 inch. Mother Mello.
Pussy clot. Be here today, fuck.
Yeah. Big up yourself, Destiny UK, although I don't know who it is.
Go.
Chipper. Chipper soon reach home. You know you be a father. I'm giving birth to a life. Me a mama and me a wife. If everybody asking me, what's the matter with you, my spice? Tell them that I am pregnant for too real. Only baptized, water baptized. Too real on my mind, I'm running for my murder. Leave my blood clot, dear father. Leave my dear father alone.
What you mean by trial to leave your baby father alone?
Hey, look here, when me I talk to Try, leave me alone. Let Try answer. Yeah, Chevy is not Try.
Chevy, I'm a woman, you know.
Let Try answer.
Chevy, I'm a woman, you know.
Chevy no want you try.
And a blood clot, said.
Try you been boxed about like a dandy shandy juice box. Chevy no want you.
You cannot talk like that, Spice.
Look at that then. Chevy no want you.
Spice, you can't talk like that because Chevy get it, Chevy ticket buy, you know, bro. You got to change the ticket?
Chevy no have no paper. She can't come at you. Bum clad. You take back your money.
So you say, the money I go back to the credit card then?
Yes, sister not come nowhere.
You say bunks back.
Yes, she not go nowhere.
So say, if you couldn't send other papers.
Blood, they go drive the big old truck where you have your so go look fair.
He lost. Girl, me say I pick their fur and I make it pick the group and about he want to marry back to the pit to get paper. That not help him. Advance. Leave Spice alone.
You're mad? I know advance before me know you.
Jesus Christ, boy.
It a go 4 years now, me know advance and repair.
So advance too late then, man.
Well, it no matter how long you want
So
know him
advance,
for.
I look here, I uphold with it.
Advance, my name Clarice McKay. I'm living at Kingston. Send the money, my love.
So when the money come, that's it then.
Yeah, my name Clarice McKay.
Who
I'm
need
a phone
enemy?
number 876
Bah!
876
Pull up!
8766.
Selector! Yo! Pull up a stand there.
Me not stay over here, you know. I me have whole heap of things to do.
Vice,
Yeah?
come my yard weekend in a man.
Where you bring? You can't bring one rose to me.
What?
One rose.
See for $50, you know?
Yeah, man. Buy it for me, man. The one where you plug in.
No, no. I want to use the battery.
No, me no want that car battery stop sell at Jamaica.
Oh.